Saberforge is the world's fastest growing saber manufacturer with customers in over 100 countries. I chose Grizzly for two main reasons: part support and availability. I was considering going with off-brand tooling, but if you do that and you run out of parts, you have a machine that doesn't work and no way to get it back up and running. Grizzly has excellent customer support and the fastest lead times in the industry. We manufacture high-end sci-fi replicas, we make custom sabers, and will soon be making custom blasters. I started Saberforge to make my hobby and my passion my career. I see my company acquiring the licenses to numerous franchises, and I see us growing and expanding from a medium-sized company to a series of large-sized sister companies with a broad range of consumer products. Myself and my creative team use computer-aided designs to conceptualize and prototype our new products. Last year we opened a dedicated custom shop. Customers can send us their designs and we'll create one-off customs made just for them.